Hey everyone, want to create an epic concept art using AI? Here's how to do it step by step with Leonardo.AI. Let's get started. First, go to leonardo.ai.com and log in or sign up for free. Then here in the dashboard, click the Get Started and explore the AI tools. Inside the dashboard, you'll see the tools like a real-time canvas, image, video, Canvas editor, and more. Then here, but for now, just click image generation. Then here you can choose a model and style. Pick a base model like Leonardo Diffusion or Dream Shaper or whatever it's available. Then here write a powerful prompt. Describe your scene clearly and creatively. You need to be specific about your idea and be detailed. Like this example prompt here. Ancient temple hidden in a misty jungle, overgrown vines, golden hour lighting, cinematic composition, concept art style, and fantasy world. And you can set the right setting, you can change the aspect ratio, the style preset, and more. And once done, hit generate and wait for the Leonardo AI to process it and wait for a few seconds and boom, you've got a high quality concept art ready to inspire your next big idea. Whether it's for games, animation, or storytelling, Leonardo AI makes your concept art more alive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.